Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add multiple login methods on the Bumble dating app. So that means you don't have to remember what you used to originally create your account, but it will also add an additional layer of security in case one of your method is ever compromised. So here, for that, the process is very easy. First of all, you need to open the Bumble dating app and make sure you are already logged into your account. Now you need to head to your settings. So for that, once you are on the home screen, at the bottom you will see your profile icon. Tap on it and then tap on the gear-like icon which is at the upper right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and you will see the option with security and privacy. Tap on the option and here tap on login methods. So right now I'm currently logged in with my Facebook account, so you can add your phone number and you can also add your Apple ID, or if you don't want that, go back and you can also enable Touch ID here. So that's how you can add multiple login methods on your Bumble dating app. So this much for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.